value in that bond you share with the living force.
Is this a piece?
Now, I can understand it may seem a bit overwhelming, and it seems like a lot at first glance, but that is why we are here. We are here to be your guides of this beautiful first chapter of your journey. So without any further ado and a moment's hesitation, why don't we explore these pieces together? Starting with the long slot being your chassis. Sections 1 and 2 are your grips, 3 is your emitters, 4 are your pommels, and section 5 is your magic pair of activation plates. Now I can assure you, my friends, this is where the fun begins. I have one question for all of you. Are each of us ready to build?
Yeah.
Excellent. Then pick up those chassis and let's build. So place those chassis with the open, hollow end and vertical vent spaces towards the ceiling. In the center is your crystal chamber. If you push up on the roof of that chamber, you'll feel a spring pad. Now grab your copper crystals, using the pointed end of the crystal to push up against that very same spring pad and lock it into an upright position. For a brief moment, you will hear a quick chime followed by singing color through those little vents. You do not see nor hear any of these two sets of sounds while doing one of these things. The bond between you and the crystal has overloaded our chassis, or well, we should really stop making deals with the jobs.
Do you want me to try? Yes. That's okay. So we can go kind of push into that. And then there you go.
Once your chassis have accepted their copper crystals, we're moving on to section 5. Section 5 is your matching pair of activation plates. Choose one matching pair and flip them over. One part will have a red square, the other part a blue rectangle. In the center of your chassis, next to that copper crystal, those same shapes and colors. You must match red to red, blue on top of blue, red overlapping covering red. Locking both parts firmly together and fully encompassing that copper crystal. It has to be a matching pair from section 5 and flip those pieces over. You will see that red indicator needs to match with the red indicator on your chassis. Blue on top of blue, red directly on red. Do not force the pieces since they only snap in one way. If you are wondering about the connection of your pieces, double check.
So if you look on the
As some of you are discovering by pushing up against that ignition switch,
that blue rectangle is going to cover the blue rectangle.
that this statement fire sounds very crucial. Go ahead and give it a few more shots. Now that we're shifting the sliders, we're moving on to sections 1 and 2. Sections 1 and 2 are your grips. You will choose 2 of your favorite grips out of 4 kinds. Doesn't matter which 2, just only 2. Any of them will work for the bottom or the top choice of design is yours. Now the builders may have your attention up here for a brief demonstration. They why to pick a band on any of those 4 pieces. This why to pick a band. So always place it first, front and center, and push and twist too fast. Whether it is copper, silver, or chrome, the wire band is always making contact towards the center. And just twist too fast.
Let's definitely.
Always keeping that washcloth motion is essential for your grips firmly fastening to your activation plates. Once your grips are firmly fastened, your chassis is starting to look like nuts, so we're moving on to section 3. Section 3 is your emitter. This will be placed over the open, hollow end. And unlike your grips have no pressure needed, you will simply twist to fasten. Section 3, over the open, hollow end. Section 3 is your emitter.
Remember one of these? They'll go on this side.
Once your emitter has been fastened, you will flip the entire hill upside down, exposing those black steel cells. Now cover with the pommel in section 4. Just like the emitter, pommel should be placed on as smooth as possible. If you have any difficulties, remove it and try it again. When your hilt has been fully assembled, we'll place it on the stand in front of you and wait for further inspection or help finishing your build.
A lot of responsibility.
What do we think? Do we like it?
I'm gonna change the top.
You want to change the line?
Let's see what it looks like.
What about this? The other one?
Just gonna check the middle.
That one? That. Change the top. Look at
Are you satisfied with the pieces you have chosen? Yeah. Up to activate, down to deactivate, only when the time is right. One more quick little test with the very first model
trying to
sequence.
decide between the two
If you have any
Yeah, I got
interest in
everything
these spare
here.
pieces, step back out until we got checked in, and you can purchase it only for today.
I don't know. Let's take it one more time. Have a good better?
You get these pieces from all over. No? Up like this, you can activate. Down will be to deactivate. And he will tell you when it's time to activate.
Thank you.
Excellent work, builders. I see some truly inspirational works of art. But we must go on and take a large step back away from your workstations. Right now, my friends are coming around you insert your hills and crystal stabilization chambers. Now, as we mentioned, your crystals demonstrate uncontrolled power. This allows us to temper and harness it, so that when the energy is liberated and your blade comes to existence, it is controlled, and hopefully have no kyber crystal ruptures this time. Luckily for you, we made sure to run. Oh my! It's probably the generator.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It's time.
Master Yoda. Friends, this is a momentous occasion. We've been gifted with the presence. Master Yoda himself, between all of you, truly are one with the Force. And while he is right, your time is arising. Though this chapter of your journey has come to a close, that doesn't mean your story ends here. So builders, return to your stations. Take hold of your saber hilts. Feel the Force flowing through you, channel it, and activate. Raise your sabers. You've just built a lightsaber like the Jedi, and Sith that come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now raise your sabers high and raise them with pride. The bond between you, the crystal, the blade, and the Force is complete. May lower and deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you. Thank you,